question lang pala, kasi syempre the past na typhoon si Gerald was helping
Yes.
nag-trend siya. How proud are you? Of
Super
course.
proud. He's always been like that. He's
Oo nga.
always been that guy. Like,
Ay, ano pa lang, sino yun? Sino yung una? Si
I
Ondoy.
think may Ondoy pa lang, and he's always had the heart for that. He's always had the heart to help for others. Like, kahit saan kami mapadpad, pag may nakikita siyang taong may kailangan ng tulong, he's always ready to help. That's his personality.
Oo.
So when we saw
A1
that,
niya yun.
kasi hindi naman yung parang may group chat kami na nalaman namin ginagawa niya yun. Nakita na lang din namin sa news na ginagawa niya yun. Syempre, una naming inisip is yung health din niya. But siya talaga hindi. Inuna niya sarili niya bago niya yung health niya.
Di ba?
Oo, parang I think hindi lahat ng tao ganun. So for him to have that heart, syempre nakaka-proud, 'di ba? May pambato kami sa ganun. Diba?
Truth. Ayan.
Yes.
Thank you so much and congratulations. Ano na lang, wait lang, speaking of, paano ka magpapahinga? May movie ka pala nga this month. So, may movie ka, di ba? This month na yun. Oh my gosh. Has it sunk in yet?
No, actually. No, but the closer that we're getting, the more my heart is beating faster and faster and faster. But I think I'm just turning that energy into just being more excited that finally we get to share this with our loved ones and our supporters and everybody who's also been, waiting also after 5 years. So we're excited.
Do you read the comments of people, lalo na whatever you post with Joshua, friends?
Sorry.
Do you read the comments? And what was the funniest, if you do? Si Danny yung nagbasa.
Si Danny,
Nagbabasa ako
nagbabasa.
kasi nag-aabang ako sino ba aawayin ko today.
Grabe ka! Grabe ka! May time pa, may time pa.
Annabelle Rama?
Hindi yun. Protective lang talaga ako sa mga kapatid.
Hindi, pero good comments. Good comments sa kanya.
comments.
Josh Lia, Resurrection nga daw ng...
More than anything, I'm just so grateful because throughout this whole process, since we announced the project up to, we're showing in 9 days, the people really have been showing a lot of love and good energy, which is so overwhelming because it's also like these days, it's so rare to just get 100% complete good energy and vibrations from people. So to just see that unfold and play out towards like our showing days, I'm super grateful and I'm super thankful. It's been an overwhelming past 2 months actually.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Imagine mo 2 months lang yun, but what a roller coaster.
It's been, yeah.
Wait, parang narinig namin, pwede mo na ba i-share? Parang magkaka-teleserye ka raw? Oo, kumita! Parang totoo! Parang may bumulong. Ano, pwede mo, yung kumiti niya, parang oo.
Kinabahan ako.
So, magkaka-teleserye ka ba? What can you share so far?
Maybe, yeah, someday maybe it's about time. I've been enjoying making films these past how many years?
Oo,
So,
since lockdown.
yeah,
Since
maybe,
pandemic,
Yeah,
yeah.
since pandemic. So maybe like at some point, like there will be a right time to
To
go
go
back.
back
So
to
we're
TV.
looking forward to that.
Oh, wow. Wait, we asked Danny about this. Gano'n ka lang ka-proud? Kasi naman hero moment naman talaga si Gerald nung Karina.
Oh, wow. Well, as much as, wow, it's a proud moment. Of course, I was really, really worried.
Ayun na nga kasi, baka magka-leptospirosis.
Yeah.
Lumublob siya.
Yeah.
Oo.
It's by nature that's who he is as a person ever since. But I was worried, of course. I just really hope that he would be safe while doing that for others. But syempre more than anything, diba? It's a proud moment. Pero ang hirap kasi grabe yung worries ko din.
Oo, hindi mo
Grabe
malaman.
yung kaba ko nun.
Parang tinutuon niya yung pag-idol niya kaila Iron Man, di ba? Parang tinutuon niya yung superhero idol sa ginawa rin niya.
But that's his heart. Like whatever you saw, that's the heart he has.
The
Yeah.
real him.
That's it. But congratulations again, going back to your film. We can't wait.